Hello everyone, my name is Paul Tate. Today I'm going to do a review of an application called Scrapit. What is Scrapit? Scrapit extracts all the information and images from top to bottom of each product's page needed to build a product review with one click. It's the easiest way to do it ever. You just click, scrape, spin in order to make the content unique and publish fresh reviews that will work for you 24/7, making commissions on autopilot. So we'll come back and go through more detail on Scrapit. There's also a demo video, going into a lot of detail, showing you how best to use, how you actually use Scrapit. You'll find that very interesting. It is 90 minutes long, but it's worth the watch, just to see how Scrapit works. But we're going to go and look at some bonuses first, and then we'll go into more detail and then watch the demo video. We'll go down to the bonuses now. So the the first bonus is Fugo Multiplier. The Fugo Multiplier is a method of affiliate marketing created by John Armstrong that will allow you to get affiliate commissions during a product launch without the usual method of launch jacking. Instead of making a review on your blog or with video, you will simply be using a trick to be able to retarget existing visitors of the sales page and send them with a dirt cheap traffic method back to the sales page, but this time via your affiliate link. The second one is Fugo Breakout. What is Fugo Breakout? Fugo Breakout is basically a training course in which participants will be led through a completely novel way of generating viral traffic. What makes this training outstanding is that everyone can participate in the course without having to have foundation knowledge. You can start your business right away after you finish the course. The third one is CPA Income Crusher. As well as being a cheap way to make money online, it's also a very quick way to make money with CPA Income Crusher, teaching us how to rank and monetize our videos in less than 48 hours. This is a no-fluff, no-filler course that teaches you everything you need to know to make quick and easy passive money online. With CPA Income Crusher, you can have an army of videos in a few days, bringing you an easy $100 a day within a few days. So those are the three bonuses that I'm giving away if you purchase Scrapit. And then you've also got three bonuses from the vendor. First one is bonus number one is Mastermind Community Group. Get access to the network with people of the same mind with ideas and solutions to your questions. The second bonus is step-by-step video tutorials. And these in-depth rewarding training videos, Scrapit working will be explained in easy and simple steps. And then the last bonus, real-life example, you can see how exactly I will use just Scrapit to produce $247 for 24 hours to get traffic. So there are six videos, six bonuses there, all completely free. So all up with the six bonuses, and not counting the dollar value of my three, you get the Scrapit web app, valued at $1,297. Scrapit training valued at $297. Mastermind Community Group, $497. Scrapit Real Life Case Study, $297. The Life License, valued at $1,297. Live training to make $500 daily, $297. World Class Support Team, priceless. 30-day, 100% money back guaranteed. So total value of everything you get today, excluding the 3 that I'm giving away, $3,982. For a limited time only, grab it now for not $197 a month. Today only, one time, $16.93. $16.93 for all of that. Okay. So back to the top. So here we go. Let's go into a little bit more detail about Scrape-It. So how does it work? So Scrape-It is a cloud-based review site builder that uses artificial intelligent technology to access content and images of any product sales page, article, document with a single click. Okay. So it's extracting all that information, and then it lets you edit and manipulate that data to however you want to create your own review. Do you need technical skills or experience? No. This is the opposite of complex. Scrape-It does all the heavy lifting for you. Just go to the page of the product you want to review, click, check results, and edit with a drag and drop if you want. That's it. So how long does it take to scrape and publish a review? Not long. You'll see in that demo that's coming up next. As I said before, it goes for about 19 minutes, but I think because the guy's talking so much and that and showing you what to do, he could easily do that between 5 to 10 minutes, easy. Do you need to spend any extra money or work on it? No, there are no hidden charges, strings attached, neither hosting nor domain, no traffic, no paid traffic, absolutely nothing. What makes it unique from other applications? No other app can generate fresh new reviews for new products so easily. It will replicate the same method super affiliates use to easily bank commissions. Scrape-It does it all for you. So now we're going to go and watch that video, that demo video. I'll catch you after that video.
Hi guys and welcome. Now here we are in the dashboard of Scrape-It. Now what is Scrape-It? Scrape-It is a software that will allow you to make amazing review sites in a matter of minutes. And as we all know, it is always best to work smarter and not harder. Now before we build our first professional review, I want to take you to 2 professional review sites so that I can show you something quickly. Now, you can see right here that this guy has created 32 pages of reviews, and this guy has created 157 pages of reviews. Now, these guys have dedicated themselves to creating reviews on a day-to-day basis, and you may be asking why. The reason is reviews work, and because they have dedicated themselves to building quality reviews, the chances of earning big fat commissions on a day-to-day basis become even higher, because when I come here to review Flying Builder review and I also see Advanced Video Studio review, the likelihood of me clicking on some of these other reviews become very, very high. And if it is something that I want, it is obvious I will purchase. So therefore, you me, this guy, whoever commits themselves to creating a quantity along with high quality reviews on a day-to-day basis, we can earn amazing commissions. Now, I want to show you what a professional review really looks like. So let's look for one on this page here. Let me see. Immediately you can see that he has a headline here. He has the product image right here. You can see he has a table of contents. He also has the product overview and some more buttons here. You can see that he has his ever popular payment link right here. You can see he has a complete breakdown of the features tab right here, and all of these tabs help to make up great reviews. And I am going to show you how you can go about adding such tabs on your review site using Scrapit. Now, as we continue down this site, you can see he also has pros and cons, another tab. You can see he has my final thoughts. You can see he has his payment link here again. And the reason for this is that you don't want to have your user having to scroll up and down to look for where to be able to purchase the product through your affiliate link. You can see he also has course funnels rating here. You can see he has another pros and cons. And then if we go down, you can see he has a conclusion and he has a bonus section right here. So back in the dashboard of Scrapit, the first thing I want you to do is to click on Scrapit right here. Go to Scrapit options. And then just take this little bookmarklet right here. Grab it and drop it in your bookmarks bar there. Next thing I want you to do is to find the review site that you are going to be reviewing. And in this case today, we are going to be reviewing Get Instant Profit Stores by my friend Victory. Now, the first thing I want you to do when you open your site is to scroll right down to the bottom to make sure that all of the text and the images have been populated. Next, I want you to click on the little bookmark. Let's scrape it. And as you can see, we are fetching all of the content. And right before you can see, in this section right here, you can also copy and paste the name of the sales page and click on go. Now right below here, you are going to see the product name, and I just want you to follow on with me. This is the name of the product, Instant Profit Stores. You can see an images tab, you can see a product overview tab, you can see features tab, just like we saw on the guy's site just now over here, right? If you remember, we had these tabs. But if you go over to Victory's site as well, you will see that Victory also has a frequently asked section right down at the bottom of his page. So what we are going to do is we are going to create 2 more tabs right here that will show up on your site. So right here on this little plus, I want you to click on that, and we are going to call this bonuses. Click on OK. Next, we are going to click on this one and create FAQ, which stands, of course, as you know, for frequently asked questions. So we already have the product name, and in this section you will see the images. Now, you don't have to use all of these images, but you will use the images that best represent your review. In this case, I am going to take the product image because we showed you on the site the guy had a product image. I'm going to take like this guy who is going to obviously build some excitement for your viewers and our reviewers of a site. This money one right here, I'm going to take this young lady right here, and then we can take some proof. And that does it for the images as far as this review is concerned. Now over here we are going to have our overview, and the overview obviously is what best represents your product, what the product is all about. So I am going to take this section right here, this, and just one more paragraph, this one. So that is my overview. Right here, I am going to pick up some of the product features, no complicated store building, stuff like this. These best represent the features in this product, like no buying of inventory, no complicated website building. All of these represent the features of this product. You don't need designer skills, etc. Stuff like that. And then we are going to go and look for the bonuses. Now if you remember, Victory had some bonuses, and the guy also had bonuses over on his site. So down here you can see grab these bonuses, and we are going to grab the bonuses and some text to show what the bonuses are about. Coming down here, grab these. And that takes care of the bonuses. Next, we are going to come back here, and we are going to get our frequently asked questions. As you remember, Victory also had these frequently asked questions on his page. And then we are going to come back to the top and click on done. And here you have it, guys, a review site literally built in a matter of minutes. Now you can go ahead and publish, but if you want to make it look even more professional, we have some tools and our toolkit that you can add to your arsenal to spruce up your review site even more. So right here you can click on this, and you will see all of the images here. Now if you wanted to remove any images, like right here, if you don't want this, you can come here, you can click on remove block, and you can drag the product cover right there. Now since it is there and I want to remove this, you can also hit delete, and it will be removed from your page. So you know how to add and to remove the images from this section right here. Now if you remember, on the guy's site, he had this right here. He had a table of contents right at the top as well. So over here, you can just click on this little plus sign. You're going to see script it. You're going to see a tab marked bonuses, one marked buttons, one marked script it. So we are going to script it first. And you can see a table of contents. So you're going to drop and drag that right there. Now we are going to edit this. The author obviously is Victory. The product is Instant Profit Store. So you're going to grab this, put it here. You can switch out this right here. Let's see if it is going to allow me. Instant Profit Stores, 30-day money back guarantee. Obviously you will put in the launch date, the launch time, the front end price. It is software or info product. You will also put it there. Now going back right to this section again where it says script it, we are going to drop and drag this label right there. We are going to buttons, and as you can see, we have 4 or 5 different buttons here for you. I like this one. Moving on nicely, if you remember, he had also a features tab. He also had his pros and cons. So we're going back to scrape it right here. We are going to this section. And right down here at the bottom, you will see that we have our pros and cons table. I'm going to grab it and drop it right there. This also is editable, so you can see multiple income streams here. If you don't want easy to scale, you can just delete that. You can also copy this, paste it, as you can see right there, so you can edit this to your heart's content. You come back to scrape it again, you click here, you can drop another buy button. Right here, and of course you will click on this section right here, you put in your affiliate link, and you will click on submit. Now we are going to add our conclusion, so coming back here, let's just click away from that. Back to scrape it. Here is our already done conclusion for you. Drag it, drop it right there, and this is also editable. You can edit this right here, and as you can see right below here, we have the bonuses section. So I'm going to grab this right now. Then I'm going to grab our intro to bonuses right here. I'm going to drop that right there for the time being. I like to put it below here, but it is okay right there. If you remember, Victory had all of these bonuses added, but we are going to add some of our own, so you're going to come back here to scrape it, and you are going to go to bonuses, and as you can see, we have some ready done bonuses for you. I'm just going to drop and drag 2 of these. One right there, drag the other one and put it, just make sure you see the blue line, put it right there, so you can see we have our bonuses. Below you can see we have the frequently asked questions, and the final thing we are going to do before we set our feature image is we are going to go and set up our product rating. If you remember, the guy had a product rating section on his site. Let me see if I can find it quickly here, right here. So scrolling right down to the bottom of the page, you are going to see tagging review options right here. Top of the post, I'm going to use points, instant Profit Stores. I'm going to put awesome here. And then for review summary, all you have to do is just go back to the top. You will grab some text. I'm going to just grab some of this right here, copy it, come back down to the bottom of the page, paste that in there, then set the criteria right here, and as you can see, these boxes appear. So I'm going to set this at 77, this at 73, this at 83, and just put that at 57. And before we click on publish, what we are going to do is to come here to this gear icon, click on post, and we are going to set our feature image. Now to do that, come back here, right click, copy image address, scroll right down, put the image URL in here, click on preview. You can see the image URL right there, and then all we have to do is to click on publish. Now, of course, if you want to add some more of these buttons on your site, you can do that. Like right here, you can add one more. I'm going to do that. Make sure you see the blue line, like I said, and then publish. And then you can proceed to review or preview your review site. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Right here, a review done. You can see the table of contents. You can see the overview, right? You can see the product rating right here. You can see your buttons all set up nicely for you. Your pros and cons, your conclusion, your bonuses. And this is how you would go about creating review sites and earning commissions on a day-to-day basis using Scripit.
So that's the demo video. Hopefully you enjoyed that and now have a better understanding of how Scripit actually works. As you can see, it's a great app, and it's going to save a lot of time and generate a lot of business for you if you do purchase it. So if you want to make a purchase of Scripit, click on the link below, and you can go to the site and buy Scripit. Thank you for taking the time to go through this review with me. My name is Paul Tate. Good night. Bye.